How to use Shein coupons. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can use Shein coupons, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you'd like to use your coupons on Shein, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is basically open up the Shein application here and make sure that you're signed into your account. If you have any sort of coupon codes or anything that you want to apply, when you just come to the Me tab over here, you should be able to see all this sorts of information. Now what you can do is you can actually just head over to the checkout page. So let's say you have tried to order something, you can basically head over to the checkout page, and when you head over to the checkout page, it will give you some of the details that you can use. Under where you'll also be able to find the option to basically use your coupon codes, and from there you can basically use your Shein coupons. So here you can say some of the codes that are available and you can simply use those coupon codes. That's all it takes to use Shein coupons. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.